and in their homes to learn how to help their babies become the happiest babies on the block.
The happiest baby on the
God
block.
knows you were probably more than ready to have your baby after 9 long months of pregnancy. But in many ways, our babies are unprepared for the world. Many parents imagine that their new babies will be almost as bright and responsive as a 4-month-old. But unlike animals whose babies are mature at birth, our newborns are more like fetuses than infants. Baby horses are able to stand and even run on their very first day of life. And they have to be able to do this.
Just like us.
No one. You're getting your picture.